Alright, welcome to my quote saver application. I wrote this just to get some experience with Kotlin, so I'll walk you through it real fast. The idea is that we can save quotes that we like to be able to look at and read later, so you can search them, view them, edit them, all that stuff. So I'll just show the view all right now. You can see that it shows us 3 at a time, but you can navigate back and forth through them. You can also search for different ones. I'll start with a keyword search. So let's look up all the ones that are funny. There you go. It gives us 3 that had the funny keyword. You can also search by source, and I'll do that. I'll search for any that are by Obi-Wan Kenobi here. Okay, it gave us 2, so we got 2 of those. And then you can also add quotes. So I'll create another one here. You were chosen one by Obi-Wan Kenobi. Okay, and then for keywords, I'll just do Star Wars. There we go. Okay, and now if we hit View All again and navigate to it, you can see it was added there. And then you can also edit some of the quotes that you have. So if I hit View All here, go to the next couple quotes, you can see I've got a weird tag on number 2 there. So we'll just go ahead and get rid of that tag, or the keyword, I mean. And we'll just place it with just this one, and we'll do wisdom as well. Okay, and then we'll save that. And we can view them all again, and as you can see, got changed there. Then you can also, if I quit this and then run it again, it'll save all of those quotes, reads them into a file, and it should pull them all back up with all of our changes there. So we can see that one was changed, number 2 there. And then as well, the one we added is still there. So you can also delete a quote. So I will delete the one that we added here. Yep, and then if we view them all again, you notice we only found 7 results, and if we go to where it would be, it's not there. So that's my application, how it works and all the functionalities there. The code is pretty straightforward. I created a class for each one of the different operations that we have. We've got our director, which is going to pretty much control the flow of the program. It controls how we do the menus with the input. I used when statements pretty much for the input, controlling the input and stuff like that. My input class is fairly simple. There's not a whole lot of validation. That's something I'm going to add in the future. But it's able to handle null values and stuff like that. For sorting, we pass in when we call to sort. I set the search type here, and that's just for displaying it for the user. It doesn't actually handle any of the logic there. Then we call our search word function, which will then get the word from the user, and then call our sort word function in our sorter class, which will then go through each quote, and if the quote text contains the word, it'll add it to an array of sorted quotes, and then director, we will access that in our search result control, which is right here. We print out our results here using our output class, which dynamically displays those 3 at a time, and then the lengths for those as well. So that's how the sorting works. And then for the file saving, I built my own little syntax and configuration class here that'll read the quotes, and then it'll configure them for file saving here. and it'll turn them into quotes here, and it'll return a quote object for each quote after we've split till we get the data that we need. It'll add that to our list of quotes. I'm using the add method there. For writing, it's pretty simple. We get the quotes that we need, and then we turn it into one block of text just like this. This is how I did the syntax pretty much, and then add each keyword to the end of that, and then write it in. So that is my quote saver program. Thanks for watching.